Having discussed and as well as or probabilities, now time to go ahead and move on to something slightly different. It's time to talk about what's called a conditional probability. Conditional probabilities are a little bit different because they don't look at the entire sample, the entire population. Rather, it's a very narrowed down probability. The best thing we can do is go ahead and look at an example of it. So here we see some of the demographics from our class. I'm going to ask you some questions about it. The first question I want to know is, what is the probability if I randomly chose someone from our class that they were a guy? That is, I randomly choose someone who's male. And the answer to that is, well, there's 7 guys out of 15, right? So the chances are 7 out of 15, or 0.4667. So about 47% chance if I randomly choose someone from our class that they're male. Okay, let me rephrase this. Let's say I wanted to know what percentage of sophomores are male, or that is, if I randomly choose a sophomore, what are the chances that they are male? Well, in this case, we need to be kind of specific here, and that is, when I choose this person, I'm not choosing him out of the 15 people in the class, right? I'm choosing him specifically out of the sophomores. So that is, there are 6 sophomores in total. So I'm going to put 6 on the bottom. Now, out of the sophomores, I know that 2 are male, so I'd put 2 on top, which tells me there's about a 33.33% chance, or as a decimal point, 3333, that if I choose a sophomore, they're male. Or, once again, that 33.33% of the sophomores in our class are male. Now, the really important part of this is that notice the number in the denominator changed. That is, up here I had 15 on the bottom. And that's because normally when we calculate a probability, the denominator is our total sample size. In the question down here, I didn't have 15 on the bottom. Instead, I had 6. And I had 6 on the bottom there because I had narrowed it down to specifically sophomores. This narrowing down is, once again, what we call a conditional probability.